Hey everyone. So today I'm going to show you an amazing AI automation that is a Google Map lead generation Parasite system that would get the leads of the businesses that are there on the Google Maps, and then you can use that leads in order to expand your business and get more clients. So let's understand the flow of the video first. First would be the problem statement, then the solution, then the tools and the flow of the automation, and then we would move to the explanation and the demo of the automation. So first would be the problem statement. What is the problem statement? Extracting business leads through the Google Maps from a certain location can be time taking, and then it could be done easily through an AI automation. So solution would be using an automation to extract the verified leads from the Google Maps and then dump that data into the Google Sheet. So this can be done via tools such as n8n, Apify Scraper that could be used in order to extract the emails and the phone numbers if present, and using data through mobile based marketing via WhatsApp as well as Twilio, etc. And we can also do the email marketing if we have the emails of the system. Why I'm saying if the emails of some of the businesses, because some of the businesses do not provide the email on the Google Maps. So that's why it can be null for some of the businesses. So let's understand the flow of the automation. The data is being put from the Google Maps using the Apify scrapers, which scrapes the business leads and then save that data into the Google Sheet. So now let's see the step-by-step explanation and the demo of the automation. So here is the automation that I have built on the n8n dashboard. So first node would be the manual trigger that we could easily hit in order to run the automation. And then I have connected an HTTPS node that is a Google Maps scraper. Here I'm using the Apify API. So I will try to understand you about the Apify in just a minute. Let's first see the parameters of the node. So method would be the post. I have provided the URL of the Apify actor along with the API, and here the authentication is set to none, but the send body is being ticked on. And then I am providing the body content as JSON. And if I expand this, I have made the query in the JSON form. So now let's first understand what is Apify. So you could easily assume Apify as the app store for the scrapers. So many developers throughout the world can develop various scrapers and put that on Apify, and people can use those scrapers in exchange of some of the credits that they can purchase on the Apify. So one good news for us would be that Apify provides $5 as a free credit, and we can easily use to try our POC of our business, whether this would be helpful for our business or not. And for this video, I'm going to use the Google Maps Extractor actor from the Apify. So here are the various parameters that we could easily set for the Apify in order to extract the business leads from the Google Maps. So here I can put the number of the places that I want to extract. For the demo purposes, I'm putting this as 2, and here are the parameters that I could easily set. If I go into the JSON part, I would easily see here is my query that is built after setting up the various parameters. So once this is done, I could easily set up my Apify scraper through this process. First, we need to get the API. So in the API endpoints, you just need to go to the run actor synchronously and get dataset items. Just copy this, and then in the HTTPS node, just paste that here, and in the JSON body, just go to the Google Maps Extractor and get the JSON body from here. Just copy this and paste that in the JSON body. So once this is done, Apify scraper would run fine. After that, I'm using edit field nodes. In the edit field nodes, I'm doing the manual mapping, the title of the business that I'm setting, the address, the website, the phone, the URL, and the domain. So these are the things that I'm getting from the Apify scraper. And once this is done, I have added a loop over items. So since this can provide a lot of leads, so I want to extract one lead one at a time, and then process that, and then move to other leads. So this is why I have set up this as batch size 1. And after that is done, I now go to the scrape website. So using this URL, I can get the HTML content of any website. So let us see that the method would be get, and just copy this URL. If I paste that, and if I paste the URL of my website, so if you know that my website provides the custom software solutions for any businesses that would require that. So if you are interested in getting that, you can easily move to this domain. So if I go to here, I could easily see that the whole HTML of my website is here, and I can use that in order to extract the email that is somewhere in the footer, or in order to get any more stuff that I would require. So once I have extracted the HTML content of my website, I can then go provide that to the LLM model, and in the LLM model, I can see what is the prompt here. So look at this website content and extract only the email. I can contact this business in your output. Provide only the email and nothing else. Ideally, this email should be of business owner. So if you have 2 or more options, try for most authoritative one. If you don't find any email, output null. And in the exemplary output of yours, name @examplewebsite.com website you should analyze that I have provided in the JSON data. So once this is provided to the LLM model, it extracts the email if that is provided in the HTML content of the website. Once this is done, I will dump that all the data in the Google Sheets after assigning each of the columns the business name, address, website, phone, email, and URL. So if you see the Google Sheets, here is the columns that I have added with the name, business name, address, website, phone, email, URL. So I will also provide this Google Sheet in the YouTube description. You can use that here. So using the Apify scraper, that would dump all the data that it has extracted from the Google Maps and here, and then you can use these phone numbers as well as the email if there are for the mobile based marketing as well as the email marketing. So if I provide you the demo of the automation, I can do that. So since I have already set the parameters, I would just run the workflow. So if I test the workflow, I could easily go to the Apify in order to see if my automation is running or not. So in the Apify scraper, I could easily see that it has fetched the 2 gems. And if I go to this, it is now scraping the website HTML content of the website, and then it would provide that to the OpenAI node. So let's just wait. Now it is dumping the content in the Google Sheets. Now it is covering the second lead that it has got from the Google Maps. So it is scraping the website. So now we are done. We have set both the websites into the Google Sheets. If we see the Google Sheets, we can easily see that 2 more gems have been added: fitness connection as well as the big text gem. So here is the address of the gems, here is the website of the gems, and here are the phone numbers of the gem as well as the URL of the gems. So based on that, we can easily do the mobile marketing using WhatsApp Business and the Twilio. So yeah, that was all about from my side about the Google Maps lead generation Parasite system. And if you have any doubt regarding this, you can put that in the comment box. Also, if you like the content of the video, please feel free to like the video, subscribe the channel, and follow me for more AI related stuffs. Till then, bye.